Which Laravel facade is primarily used for interacting with the event system? Option A, cache. Option B, root. Option C, event. Option D, queue. What is the primary purpose of Laravel's forget method on a collection? Option A, to remove all elements from the collection. Option B, to remove a specific element from the collection based on its key. Option C, to clear the cache related to the collection. Option D, to serialize the collection for storage. When using Eloquent, what is the best practice for defining a many-to-many relationship with a custom pivot table name? Option A, using the hasManyThrough method. Option B, using the belongs-to-many method with the table name as the second argument. Option C, defining a custom pivot model. Option D, creating a separate migration for the pivot table. Which artisan command is used to create a new policy class in Laravel? Option A, PHP artisan make controller. Option B, PHP artisan make model. Option C, PHP artisan make policy. Option D, PHP artisan make middleware. What is the purpose of the withDefault method in an Eloquent relationship? Option A, to set a default value for a column in the related table. Option B, to prevent lazy loading of the relationship. Option C, to assign a default model instance if the relationship is null. Option D, to define a default scope for the relationship. In Laravel, what is the primary function of the tap helper function? Option A, to debug the value of a variable. Option B, to perform an operation on an object without modifying its state. Option C, to chain multiple method calls on an object and return the original object. Option D, to redirect the user to a different route. Which of the following is not a valid option when using the abort helper function? Option A, abort 404. Option B, abort 500, server error. Option C, abort access denied. Option D, abort 403, forbidden. What is the recommended way to handle long-running tasks in Laravel without blocking the web server? Option A, using a while loop and sleep. Option B, using synchronous artisan commands. Option C, using Laravel's queue system. Option D, using JavaScript set timeout. Which method is used to define a custom validation rule using a closure in Laravel? Option A, validator make. Option B, validator extend. Option C, validator after. Option D, validator sometimes. When using Laravel Sanctum, what is the purpose of the abilities array associated with an API token? Option A, to define the middleware that the token can access. Option B, to specify the roles that the user associated with the token has. Option C, to restrict the routes that the token can access. Option D, to grant specific permissions to the token, such as creating, reading, updating, or deleting resources.